Hello, everybody. Welcome back to your English with Abraham. I remain your teacher, of course, Abraham Salakar. Today, we're talking about pronouns. We want to talk about the object forms of English pronouns. Are you ready? Let's have fun. Now, in our previous video, we talked about pronouns. You remember when we talked about I? So we have something that looks like this. For the sake of my space, I am going to draw something so little here. Okay, we talked about the subject form, and for example, we can call it pronouns to subject pronouns. Okay, then we have the second pronouns. Okay, we can call it object or the second person. You can call it object or the second person. What does that mean? I will explain it. For example, I have I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Okay, these are the subject pronouns. For I, we have me, me. He, we have him. She, we have her. Me, him, her. It is the same. It. You, also the same. You. We have us. Us. Then they, we have them. Now, this is the subject and the object. Now, the question is, how do we use them? It's very easy. For a simple English sentence, we have the subject plus the verb plus object. Okay. In this situation, Adam mostly is a man. Man, he loves Kenny, a girl. Do we go this? No, we go for her. Why? Because it's an object. The subject goes with the first person, so we call it this first, and we go for the second, her. He loves her. Okay? You can say Tom and Jerry love mom. Tom and Jerry love mom. Okay? Tom and Jerry. Tom, let's say he, plus he becomes they. So you can say they. Let me put a line here. You can say they love mom, her. They love her. Don't worry about this. I will teach you later. Okay, I will teach you that later. Okay, Tom and Jerry, they love her. So these objects we have he, him, I, me, he, him, she, her, it, you, we, us, they, them. And this is how we use it. I like chicken. I like it. We're talking about this it, not this it, but they're the same. So you can say it. I love you. I am the first person. Love, then you. First, second, and this is the second person. First person, second person. I love you. I, me, he, him. So practice these over and over, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.